Hazrat Ubaidullah bin Abdullah bin Utbah narrates, my father wrote a letter to Umar bin Abdullah bin Arqam Zuhri to ask Subi'a, the daughter of Haris Asalamiya, about the command which Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam issued on her query. So Hazrat Umar bin Abdullah bin Arqam replying, Hazrat Abdullah bin Utbah wrote, the Hazrat Subi'a had told me that she was in the marriage of Hazrat Sa'ad bin Khawla, a member of Bani Amir bin Loy and a Badr participant. He died on the occasion of farewell pilgrimage while she was pregnant. Soon after his death, when the baby was born and she got rid of purpurium, she made her up for the suitor's proposal. So a man from Banu Abdiddar, Abu Sanabil bin Baka, came to her and said, what has happened to you that you are sitting ready for those who may propose you for marriage? You want to marry, whereas by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, your marriage is not valid until you complete a period of 4 months and 10 days. Sobia says, when he said so, I put on my clothes, visited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the evening, inquired him of it. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that I was religiously free to marry after the childbirth, and I could marry if I so wished. Same has been reported from Muhammad bin Ilyas bin Bukair, whose father participated in the Battle of Badr. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3991.